warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Good morning Miss Tasha. Before we begin, let me introduce myself briefly. I'm Syahani Haurai Tiara, and I'm the moderator of the topics that will be held by Group 3. First, let me introduce the members of Group 3. Our first member is myself. My name is Syahani Haurai Tiara, goes with name 400113206500015. Next, we have Taufik Firman Hidayat, goes with name 400113206500016. Next, we have Nadira Sandra Dewi, goes with name 400113206500018. Next, we have Nur Latifah Aurelia, goes with name 400113206500019. Next, we have Mutiawati Rosyadah, goes with name 40011320020. Lastly, we have Aisyah Nurul Insani, goes with name 400113206500021. And that's all the member of Group 3. So, today, we're going to be talking about WMS, or Warehouse Management System. So, if you want to know about this topic, let's get started the presentation. Our first presentation will begin by Aurel.
It's good to be here. Now, I will explain the definition of the Warehouse Management System. What is a Warehouse Management System? Firstly, in the opinion of Anissa Casey Gerside, Warehouse Management System is an information subsystem that assists in management of products flowing through facilities within the logistic network and stored in the facility. Next, generally, Warehouse Management System is a software solution that offers visibility into a business' entire inventory and manages supply chain fulfillment operation from the distribution center to the store shelf. Last but not least, it can be concluded that Warehouse Management System is a software application that helps control and manage the day-to-day operation in a warehouse. Okay, that brings me to the end of my presentation about definition of the Warehouse Management System, and the next topic will be explained by Syahani Haura Istiara.
Okay, next we're going to talk about functions of a warehouse management system. The first function is tracking stock. One of the primary functions of warehouse management system is the effectual tracking of the stock that are coming in the warehouse and either dispatched to the respective places of order. These functions give the manager the perfect insight to measure and know the availability of stock and exactly when it will be the optimal time for restocking in the warehouse. Second, we have picking and shipping. The second most important function of a warehouse management system is to look after the picking and shipping activities of a warehouse. This being said, it means that the assurance of the correct product being received and shipping is taken care by the WMS alone. With the presence of a manual system, quite often the missing data and inefficient tracking to lead the confusion of missing or wrong receiving and shipping of product. Next, we have layout design. As a warehouse, it's very essential to keep its layout design very much in order. A warehouse management system helps you to draw your warehouse layout design in its correct way. It enables placing your product within the design layout in much more efficient manner with a logical setting working in its algorithm. The factors that are responsible for creating the systematic layout design are accessibility, demand, and weight. This not only allows smooth operation, but also looks after a seamless way of managing your products being correctly placed in the warehouse. Lastly, we have managerial information. Being one of the biggest fundamental for making the foundation of warehouse management strong, WMS is designed dedicatedly to give productive insight, being a cornerstone to the transportation and logistic industry. A warehouse management system offers the bountiful of essential business information that can be accumulated in the form of reports. These reports are vital for managers who are managing the warehouse to help to analyze the current wave of operation and locating the improvements that are on the highest priority to be adopted. Thank you.
Okay, let's move on to type of warehouse management system. There are four basic types of warehouse management system that are commonly implemented by a third-party logistic business are: the first one is standalone system. A standalone warehouse management system is your typical on-premise type system which is deployed on the native hardware and network of the business. These systems are often the lowest long-term cost option, but lack the benefit of a more integrated WMS option. The second is supply chain modules. Supply chain management software has a broad scope. It helps users manage everything from vendor relationship to business process to risk assessment. It focuses on automatic tasks like inventory management, material sourcing, and product cycles. The third is ERP modules. ERP or Enterprise Resource Planning software is a powerful solution that combines many capabilities found in other systems. And the last is cloud-based system. A cloud-based WMS is a web-based, centralized computing module that employs cloud technology. It can supply the same benefit of a more traditional WMS while also providing faster implementation and lower costs.
Well, here I will explain the benefit of an integrated warehouse management system and ERP system. The benefits are as follows: reduce fulfillment times. In this benefit, the company can increase the speed and accuracy of order fulfillment. Next, increased inventory accuracy. In this benefit, the stock and inventory information becomes more accurate and can provide accurate, fast, and even real-time data information. Next, improved customer service. In this benefit can increase customer satisfaction because the preparation of goods does not require a long time. Next, greater space utilization. The system can do it digitally using a computer, so all the tools that are used manually are not really needed. Next, increased warehouse productivities. In warehouse activities, employees can save time because all the information needed is already in the system automatically. Next, reduce labor costs. Can replace labor, for example, the process of finding goods. If you use the manual method, it takes a long time. With this system, the goods will be found quickly. That's all from me. Thank you.
When deciding to implement a WMS program or upgrade to more robust program, we need to choose which system is best for our facility. For example, warehouse management level from basic to advanced. This slide is an overview of the three most common levels of WMS with a particular focus on shipping, receiving, and put away and inventory replenishment capability. Tier 3 Basic. At the entry level, a Tier 3 WMS program's data collection tools will help you to automate your warehouse by assigning grid numbers to locations and bins in your warehouse. Your computer can record where every item is located, but that is the cap on the level of complexity your system can handle. Since the WMS only verifies an item's locations, put away is unguided and seemingly random. Order picking is based on packing slip and managed without any built-in luggage. Inventory record quantities are based on receipts from purchase orders, and inventory replenishment is calculated from simple minimum and maximum order level algorithms. Tier 2 Intermediate. WMS programs at this tier over-directed pick and put away luggage to allow you to optimize your warehouse space and employees' time. For example, instead of simple verifying where material has been placed, Tier 2 warehouse inventory software will use slotting optimization to evaluate the combination of item, location, quantity, unit of measure, and orders detail to tell you where you should be stocking the inventory. WMS packages at this level over directing task monitoring to help you determine where to stock materials, where to pick, and even the sequence in which to pick something. When inventory is received, a Tier 2 WMS over-guided put away based on the speed of movement of the inventory to help eliminate expired materials.
Tier 2 WMS also support more complex picking, including advice on optimal pallet and carton configuration based on unique customer requirements. Shipping is predetermined by the customer and can be better managed with staging and dock scheduling tools. Tier 1 Advanced. Only the largest and most complex fulfillment centers or warehouses benefit from Tier 1 WMS software. Unlike the previous two tiers, which are designed more for captive warehouses that manufacture on-site and only distribute for themselves, Tier 1 WMS programs are for wholesale distributors and warehouses that store and ship product from multiple companies. Tier 1 system offers both versions of the tools in the Tier 2 WMS, plus the added benefit of interacting with automated material handling equipment such as conveyor belt sorting equipment and automatic fill rate and retrieval system. Tier 1 WMS software support web picking, allows for queuing, subsystems, and handle complex reorg management.
How to choose the right warehouse management system? Number 1. Compatibility and functionality of the software with company systems. Number 2. How to implement it and necessary training because of the long-term productivity of the company. Number 3. Backup and redundancy system. Number 4. Some of WMS is easy to customize in case the company makes small changes in the future. Number 5. Control software updates, data access, and ownership. Number 6. Total cost to be incurred and the payment agreement.
The conclusion, now that you are armed with knowledge of the different options of warehouse management system, it is time to take stock of what exactly your warehouse needs. Begin by calculating the frequency of your inbound and outbound products. Finally, when selecting your WMS software, don't forget to evaluate feature growth. WMS implementation don't occur often, so select software that will serve your company well in 5 or 10 years. A good way to start is to look over the specification sheet of an overly robust Tier 1 WMS package and pick out the features that fit your business needs. Then seek out the comprehensive ERP solution that offers and functionality, and you will be on the road to success.
Finally, it's the over of the presentation. I hope you guys can understand this topic. That's all from Group 3. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you for the attention. Thank you for watching. I'm Shani Tiara. Goodbye and have a great day.